In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Monzo 2025. If you've set money aside in a pot and now need it in your main Monzo account, this walkthrough shows exactly how to move it back. Think of it as transferring funds from a savings pot to your spendable balance, so you can use your card, pay a bill, or take out cash at an ATM. First, open the Monzo app on your phone. Make sure you're on the latest version and connected to the internet, so everything loads correctly. You should land on the home screen where you can see your account balance and recent activity. From the home screen, tap your pots. Pots are the mini accounts you use for saving and budgeting, things like rent, holidays, or emergencies. Opening this section lets you see every pot you've created along with the current balance in each one. Next, choose the pot you want to withdraw from. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right pot by checking its name and balance. If it's a fixed term or otherwise locked savings pot, you may not see the option to withdraw until the term ends. For standard pots, you'll be able to proceed. Inside the pot, tap Withdraw. Depending on your device or app version, this might appear near the top or bottom of the screen, but it will be clearly labeled. Tapping it opens the amount entry screen. Enter the amount you want to move. You can't withdraw more than the available balance, so double check the number before continuing. If you're budgeting, it can help to leave a small buffer in the pot so you don't undo your savings progress. When the amount looks right, continue to the confirmation step. Finally, confirm by tapping Withdraw from pot. The transfer is usually instant and you'll see your main account balance update right away. You should also get a feed item confirming the move. If you changed your mind, you can always go back into your pots later and move money back again. That's it. Quick and straightforward. Open the app, go to your pot, select the right pot, choose Withdraw, enter the amount, and confirm. With this, your funds are ready in your main account for everyday spending or cash withdrawal. If you run into any errors, check your internet connection and that the pot isn't locked, then try again. Thanks for watching and keep your budgeting goals in mind every time you move money out of a pot.